Hello everyone, today I'm going to make classic Arabic food, falafel, aka fried chickpea bowl. It is crunchy, you can eat alone or make sandwich, totally delicious. For this recipe, we need 300 gram dried chickpeas. Pick out the bad ones before we soak it. Add enough water to cover the chickpeas. And soak it overnight. The second day, you can find out the chickpeas are easy to break. Then wash them, drain them well. While it's draining, we can prepare the herbs. Cut 1 onion into cubes, 5 cloves garlic, remove the garlic end, and give a roughly cut. Add the chickpeas in the blender. All this I need to blend them in 2 times. Add onion and the garlics, parsley and coriander leaves as well. Blend them all together. We need to scrape the chickpeas to the center time to time to make sure they are blended evenly. The final look is supposed to be like this. The basic seasoning for falafel is salt, cumin, coriander, and black pepper. I personally prefer to add some garlic powder and paprika, which make the falafel taste even better. Some people like to add turmeric, it's fun as well. Another important ingredient is baking powder. It helps to give crunchiness to the falafels. You can use baking soda instead, but be careful the quantity, otherwise it brings the bitterness. After all these are mixed up, grab some mixture to see if they can be shaped. Mine is a little wet, so I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon cornstarch. I'm using an ice cream scoop to divide it evenly. Then make it into a bowl. There are other shapes of falafels you can make it with a tool, choose whatever is easy for you. Oil temperature 150 C. You don't fry too much falafel in one time. It will cool down the oil and take more time to cook. The first 10 seconds, try not to move them. Once they got a stable layer outside, you can give a gentle stirring. When you see they are golden brown, drain them on a rack. Listen to this. Of course, we're gonna eat it with our classic tahina sauce. Mix tahina, salt, lime, and garlic. Add a little bit water to adjust the consistency. This is how it should look. Let's try it with tahina. The crunchy falafel with nutty, garlicky, and little citric taste is quite nice. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumb up and subscribe. See you. Bye.